Are you babies? Are you the babies? Are you a precious babies? Are you a pretty baby? Are you my babies?
That's too loud. That's better. Thank you. Jack, you be quiet. It's quiet time now. You have to be quiet.
Like you live a very good life. You don't agree? You don't think you live a good life?
Salem, I'm cold. Thank you.
Go shut the door. All the way.
Luna, can you say hello? Can you say, oh no? Good girl.
Say, I love you. Good boy.
I love you. Ooh, I love you. I love you.